Next, let's set up your author profile. In the left sidebar, go to Users and then Profile. Scroll down, and under Nickname, type the name you want shown on your posts. Then in the dropdown just below, set that nickname as your display name. This will show up as the author name on your blog posts, so choose something you're comfortable sharing publicly. Next, scroll down to the Rank Math SEO section of your profile. Add your Twitter, Facebook, and any additional profiles you have. Then write a brief author bio. 3 to 5 sentences is perfect. Some tips for this. Focus on who you are, your connection to the topic, or how you help readers. Keep it conversational and not too formal. If you need help writing it, use this prompt with ChatGPT. I need a 3 to 5 sentence bio about me for my blog about fill in the blank topic. Ask me a few questions to clarify, then write a short version I can use. I'll quickly paste in a bio that I wrote earlier. Next, let's fill out Rank Math's author SEO fields. Scroll down to the bottom Rank Math section. Then, for your focus keyword, just use your author name. Follow the checklist in Rank Math and fix any items with a red X. My red X says the focus keyword is not found in my SEO meta description, so I'll actually scroll up and add that to my biographical info. And there we go. Now I have a green check mark. Next, click Edit Snippet to customize the meta title and description that show up in Google search for your profile. In the Edit Snippet section, the permalink will default to your email address for the URL. Go ahead and change this to the name you actually want to display for your author page. Next, scroll up to the Profile Photo section. WordPress uses Gravatar to manage profile photos. In a new tab, head to gravatar.com. Sign up with the same email you used for your WordPress account. Follow the prompts to get set up. Enter your name. And then upload an image. I'll use this headshot of me. Adjust the image as needed, and when you're done, click the Done button in the top right corner. Gravatar will take a second to load, and it'll prompt you to claim a domain, which you can do if you want, but I'm going to click Do It Later. If you'd like to, go through and update all the details in Gravatar, but for me, I'm going to skip this for now. I just want the image to show up. So I'll click Not right now, and Done. Close out of your extra tabs, including Gravatar, and eventually when you refresh, your profile image will show up here. Scroll to the bottom of your profile and click the Update Profile button. I want to point out that if you ever need to change your password, you can do it on this page as well. You can find that just below your profile picture under the Account Management section.